Today, we will be walking through how to become registered with disability support services. The first thing you will want to do is open a web browser and enter in uwsuper.edu. It should take you to our homepage. We will then go to the search bar at the top and type in disability support services. You will hit enter. And it'll be the first link that pops up. You'll select that link and it will bring you to our main disability support services page. Since you are a first-time user, you will select the link first-time disability support services user for students only. When you select that link, it will bring you to our secure online form. This is the first way to connect with our office, and we'll put you in our queue so that we are able to follow up with you and connect with you about your accommodations. You'll submit a lot of information into this form: first name, last name. Please make sure you have your UWS student ID and your UWS email. You will select all that apply as far as what type of student you are. Domestic student or on-campus student, first gen, online transfer, any of those. You would select whatever applies to you. You will then go through this process to give us more detailed information. You can click add and select whichever category your disability would fall into. Psychological, health impairment, learning disability, any and all that apply. And then beyond those categories, if there's anything that you struggle with that isn't listed there, you would add that here. You would also select whether or not you're on any prescription medication. If you select yes, a box will pop up asking what types of medication and if there are any side effects. If you select no, that box goes away. You will indicate to us how your disability affects you academically. How does it affect your life as a college student in general? You will then go through and select which types of accommodations you've received in the past related to your disability. And then you can, if you select other, you can give more detail about what that accommodation looked like. Then you will transition down to what accommodations you are requesting for your academic experience at UW Superior. So what types of accommodations would benefit you while being here as a college student? Again, if you select other, please indicate what types of accommodations you are requesting. You will then include the name of your medical or mental health provider and their phone number. Once you submit this form, you will get a follow-up email with the medical mental health provider form included. That needs to be filled out by your provider and sent to us so that we can move forward with getting your accommodations set. If you have any questions or run into any hiccups with this process, all you need to do is email disability@uwsuper.edu, and we're happy to help you through the process.